Today in this video we will be looking at some of the possible reasons for not receiving emails from Gmail issue on your Windows 11 computer, and we'll solve the problem at the same time. So let's get started with the video. So here you can see I am already in my desktop and signed into my Gmail account. So if you're not receiving emails from the Gmail, then the first things that you need to do is just simply go ahead and select more from the action menu and then go to the spam folder and see your expected emails is in the spam folder or not, because sometimes emails are stuck in the spam folder that doesn't show in the inbox. So make sure to check out this option. Then the next things that you have to do, you need to check out the storage for your Google account. To check this out is simply go ahead and click on this apps icon over here and then go to the drive. Here you can see the stories for your Google account. If you see that you're running out of storage or the storage is full, then you need to free up some stories for your Google account. So to do that, you can simply get back to your Gmail account and go to the inbox and then select some unnecessary emails from your Gmail account and then simply delete them, and also get back to Google Drive again and find out some of the unnecessary files in order to free up some storage. And also you can upgrade your Google account storage. If you see that you have enough storage but you are still not getting emails from your Gmail, you need to fix some of the advanced settings for your Google account. So to do that, it's simply getting back to your Gmail account again and simply go to this gear icon. Just go ahead and click over here and then click on see all settings. Once you open the settings, just go ahead and change the tab to this option called filters and blocked address. It will be showing you all the filters that you have added to your Google accounts. It could be multiple filters for you. Just simply go ahead and select one by one and then just delete the filters for your Google account. Once you're done with the deleting process, you just go ahead and change the tab to the forwarding and pop or the IMAP option. If you click over here, and then you need to make sure that you are not forwarding your email to a specific email account from me here as you, and make sure to enable this option called IMAP access, and then just scroll down and then click on save change as well. So once you are done with all of these processes, hope that your problem is going to be solved and you will be able to get your expected emails from your Gmail account. That's all about this video, guy. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching. Back to your